Welcome back everyone. To download Effect House, open up your favorite web browser and let's go to the search and type Effect House TikTok. Or you can search for TikTok Effect House. The website is effecthouse.tiktok.com, so go ahead and just click on effecthouse.tiktok.com. Note, you can always go to the direct download button like so. Next thing we're going to do is hit the download button. This will take us to the Effect House download page. So I'll click on download. And here you're going to choose your operating system. I'm using a Windows operating system, so I'll download for Windows. I haven't tried this on a Mac yet, but I'm pretty sure if you're using a Mac, it'll specify what operating system you're using. Currently, I'm not sure if this is available for Linux. But I'll click download for Windows and this should download the program. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to stop this because I have it already. Go to the download page, right click and choose install for your Windows operating system. Once you've downloaded the program and run the installer, you should follow the simple instructions to specify a path or location where you want to store the program. Once you've done that, go to your Start menu or hit the Windows key and you can search for Effect House, just like I have here, and click on Effect House. To use Effect House smoothly, you would need to register and link your TikTok account. You can use a barcode to scan and log into your TikTok account, or you can use other means to authenticate and verify that you're a user before you can have access to using Effect House. Let's see a simple example. Once you've run the program, you'd actually have a welcome screen that welcomes you to the program. You need to log in with your TikTok. So what you should do if you have TikTok installed is to scan the QR code available on the screen. One way I do that is to open up my web browser on my camera. After I open up my camera, I just scan or point the QR code on the image and click on Show Options to open that QR code. Also note, there are other methods you can log in, and let's check out these methods. Here, I'll click on Login with other methods. And it tells me I'm signed in as my user account, so I'll hit continue. That's it. It said I'm signed in and I can go back to Effect House. On your mobile device, you can see a confirmation login to sign in for TikTok for desktop. If you hit confirm, you'll also be good to go. Alright. And that's how you can sign into the program. Once you're done, it's going to approve your login and you can sign into Effect House. I'll just go over here. And we can see some interaction going on over here. And that's it. That's how you can sign in and log into Effect House after you've downloaded the program. It will give you other options and show you there's an update, but I'll just skip this version like so. In our next lesson, we'll go over the Effect House interface and learn how to build and navigate the program. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.